Hello guys, welcome to my another video. This is your host and you're watching me on Russell Brothers. So in this particular video we are going to talk about Raw, the final Raw before Elimination Chamber. What are the surprise that we have witnessed on this Raw? So let's talk about that. So Miz is out from Elimination Chamber match. Yes guys, Miz today announced that he is the Money in the Bank winner, so he doesn't need to be on the Chamber match to become the WWE or the Universal Champion. He can cash it whenever he wants, so he opted out himself in from the match, and he suggested Adam Pearce to put John Morrison into that match, which is a quite valid point. But then we get to see Kofi Kingston appearing to Adam Pearce and claim that the rule of this chamber match is everybody has to be a former champion, and he is a former WWE champion. So WWE put Kofi Kingston versus Miz in a match where the stipulation is if Kofi Kingston wins, he's to be included into the chamber match, and if Miz wins, Morrison is to be included in the chamber match in place of Miz. But at the end we get to see Kofi Kingston wins and he's been included in the chamber match. So will we get another Kofi Mania? So let's see. But the reason behind this is that after WWE announced this chamber match last week, we are getting many reaction from the fans that John Morrison needs to be included. He is not getting the proper opportunity. But the question is, he is not a former WWE champion. So WWE put that storyline in a very tactical way, in a very perfect way where nobody is to be blamed. But at the end they go with Kofi Kingston. It's good. I mean, he's a very good wrestler. Okay. Another shocking thing that happens is that Lacey Evans, who is the number one contender for the Raw Women's Championship of Asuka, is pregnant. Recently on Raw, she announced that she is pregnant, and those who thinks that this is a storyline, but I want to tell you that this is a real storyline. Lacey Evans is on a real incident pregnant, and WWE gets to know before Raw starts, so they decided Lacey Evans not to perform not only today's Raw, but she's also been opted out from Raw Women's Championship match against Asuka. So the Raw Women's Championship match is still there, but the replacement of Lacey Evans is still not announced. But as per the news, Lacey Evans will not be competing in WWE right now, and maybe she is also missing WrestleMania 37. The same thing that happens with Becky Lynch. So it's a very good news for all the Lacey Evans fans, and it's a very real incident. Okay, now moving to the next thing that happens. That next thing that happens on today's Raw is the return of Alexa Bliss. We here see that the Alexa Bliss returning on Raw and claim that the Fiend will have his reborn. We all know that eventually WWE will end up in a match between Randy Orton and Fiend at WrestleMania 37. The build-up had started, and Alexa Bliss has claimed that Fiend will be back soon, maybe at Elimination Chamber, maybe at Fastlane. That's not been clear, but before WrestleMania it's quite clear that the Fiend will be back. And now if we talk about the main event, that is the Godland match, the winner will be the last participant at the chamber match. The match started with Kofi Kingston and AJ Styles, two former WWE champion, one-on-one. We get to see AJ Styles defeating Kofi Kingston in that match, and after that we get to see the current WWE champion into the Godland match. So Drew McIntyre versus AJ Styles, and there Drew McIntyre pins AJ Styles, and after that we get to see Jeff Hardy coming into the match. So Drew versus Jeff Hardy, it was a very good match, I would say a good fight from Jeff Hardy, but at the end Drew McIntyre with a claymore pinning Jeff Hardy. And after that we get to see the Viper Randy Orton, the second last participant of this Godland match. So there the match was going on, but suddenly we get to see a twist. We suddenly see that Alexa Bliss face appears on all the screen of the Thunderdome, and her voice was echoing, so that distracted Randy Orton, and Randy Orton was counted out. So here Drew McIntyre again wins, but after the match Drew McIntyre hit Orton with a claymore. And the last participant of the Godland match is the Celtic Warrior Sheamus. So it was a one-on-one between Sheamus and Drew McIntyre, after a long time, I would say what the first time and the match was really good. It has a very good potential to become a very good WrestleMania match, but at the end we get to see the shocking thing, that is Sheamus pinning Drew McIntyre fair and square with a broad kick. So Sheamus becomes the last participant to enter in this year's Elimination Chamber match, which is a big advantage for him. But will he win the WWE Champion or not? That we get to see on Sunday. So this was the entire Raw, and it was a great momentum for Sheamus. So let's see what happens on Elimination Chamber. But this was all about on today's Raw, the highlighting point, and I would say that I totally enjoy it. I hope you like it. Please like, share and subscribe. I will see you in the next video. Cheers.